I love using seasonal veggies in my family's diet, and I had this honey nut squash left in the kitchen, and this is how I used it to make lunch for my twins today. I began by washing it, then cut it into big pieces and steamed it in the microwave. I started with 3 minutes, which was not enough, and it ended up needing 6 minutes. Once the squash was tender, I removed the seeds and scooped out the flesh into a bowl. To this I added finely chopped spinach, grated paneer and ginger garlic paste. To boost the nutritional value, I added crushed ajwain, sesame seeds, hemp hearts and flax seeds. Then in goes some whole wheat flour, oats flour and besan. Season it with salt, turmeric, garam masala and coriander powder. Add oil and begin mixing everything together. There is no need to add water in this because the squash already has water content in it. Cover and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Roll it out and cook it on a heated pan with ghee on both sides. I served these parathas to my toddlers with some yogurt, which they loved. I hope you guys try it and your kids love it too.